Alright guys, so welcome to BraceNet tutorials, and this a new series of Java programming that we are bringing up to help beginners and intermediate programmers so that they come up with very comprehensive programs. If as you watch, if you are interested, just like and subscribe so that you don't miss any videos that we posted sometime to come. So quickly, what is Java programming? It's a programming language that people use to write piece of code, and they are mostly used in schools, industries. And today we are going to learn a brief history of Java programming language. So let's start from our first video, which is Introduction to Java Programming Language. So the Java programming language was first developed in 1990 by James Gosling, an engineer at Sun Microsystems. Having the mindset that the application could be developed for the internet, consequently renamed the language to Java simply because it sounds cool. Developers embraced the new language all over the world. This was because of its modular design, where new features could be added to the core language. Example is the Java file built and incorporated by many individuals. Now, so the modular design actually, that's in point 4, describes how classes are grouped in packages to ease the length of the programming codes. So that's one beautiful thing about Java language. People have come up with piece of Java files, which helps to make your code very easy, right, and very interesting. So that's what has caused people to love Java programming language, which I believe you will love to as we go through this series of presentation and lessons. So the next point is the essence of Java is a library of files called classes, which contain pieces of ready-made proving codes. Right, so Java is all about classes, and in the next tutorials to come, I'm going to show you how to install the Java language and how to use these classes to create programs, because the core concept of Java programming lies on the classes that you must create. So these classes help the developer to write relatively small new code to complete a program, so it saves time. So as I said, the concept of Java relies on the classes, and it's very easy to create these classes, and it's very easy to use it to manipulate your programs. So in order to create Java program, the Java class libraries and the Java compiler needs to be installed on your computer. We go to this process. In order to run Java program, JDK has to be installed, and this JDK is very important because that's the runtime environment. It's the environment that the Java, the NetBeans, let's say the NetBeans runs on, right? The Java program runs on. So it's currently comprised of the JVM, which is the Java Virtual Machine, the compiler, and the debugger. So as time goes on, we get to know all this. Some uses of the Java language, so just to mention a few, is used to create desktop GUI application. So we have the Raffles, for example. So those who knows Raffles, this software is used to make bootable operating system, right? Or you can have other GUI programs which will be different from this one, and all can be done through Java programming language. You also have gaming applications. So Java programming language can also be used to design gaming applications. With a time to come, you're going to use it to create one or two games, and you can also, from that understanding, you can use it to build your own game. And then finally, business application. So something like the POS, right? You have POS that is being built using Java language. Other languages too can help in building that, but the swiftness is what we're talking about. And Java language is very swift, and it makes it very easy to learn the Java language. And just stay connected by liking our video and then subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out any new video that we posted in the coming days. See you guys for the next video.